Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up Nightshift on your MacBook or Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Nightshift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you to get a better night's sleep. Here is how to set it up. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Displays. In Display Settings, select Nightshift from the bottom right. Select Schedule and then change it to either sunset or sunrise, or select Custom to choose your own times. You can then use the slider to adjust the color temperature for Nightshift. Nightshift is now set up on your MacBook and will come on automatically each day based on the time setting you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.